Today we'll be exploring the settings for your Stream Engine app. Let's begin by taking a look at the audio settings in the Stream Engine app. In the audio settings, you will see your preview and program up top. Down below, there will be the audio settings. Starting from the left, you will see your HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. Next will be the microphone and line in. Next to that will be your PGM, which will be the audio mix for your final stream content. Next is your earphone volume. This will allow you to listen to the sound of your PGM and adjust the volume from any independent input. That way, you will not have your input volume too soft or too loud. This way, you can fine-tune your input volume for the best balance. Under the two HDMI input sources, you will see an AFV and ON button. AFV is for Audio Follows Video, which allows your input source sound to follow your program setting. When set to program, the video and audio will output together. Once you cut to the other input source, the first source input audio and video will cut out together. Now let's take a look at the settings menu. On the left, you will enter the General tab. You will see the pause picture function, which will be displayed when you pause a stream. You can select a background or the pause picture you wish to use during your stream when your live stream is on pause. Below that will be your transition period. The range can be set from 0.3 to 3 seconds, depending on your desired transition time. This will set the amount of time it will take to transition between scenes using the auto button. Underneath the transition period, you have your network settings. You can select DHCP or manual. Manual will allow you to input your IP address, mask, gateway, and DNS settings manually. In the next Stream tab, you will have Server 1 and Server 2 available. Each server has the URL and stream key inputs, where you can input the server data for your stream. Please look into the platform you use to find the appropriate URL and stream key required for streaming. This can be for Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, or more. Underneath, there's the option to stream to an external storage. When storing your live stream, you can only stream to one destination server. To store your live stream, click on the External Storage toggle. In the Output tab, you can adjust the streaming resolution. The resolution options allow for 480p, 720p, or 1080p resolutions at 30 FPS. Below that, you will find the streaming quality options. From highest to lowest quality, the options are Fluent, Normal, and Quality, with Quality being the highest. You can also select Manual mode, where you can adjust the quality settings manually to your liking. Lastly will be the audio delay. The audio delay can be set up between 0 and 300 milliseconds. This will help you sync up your audio with your video. Now we will take a look at the project profiles. Select the menu button on the top left corner and it will display the project's menu. You can create project profiles for various events for the Stream Engine. This way you can create profiles for various events, without needing to customize and edit everything manually every time you begin streaming.